In today's video, I meet up with my friend Ploy. She gives me a tour of the Skyrise condos, where you can find a one-bedroom rental for around $530 per month. Or you can buy a brand new unit for about $100,000. And the studio rents for $476 per month. We'll also show you the shared amenities in the common areas. And the condo is just across from True Digital Park, which is an amazing technology hub. It has incredible free co-working spaces, a running track, and more. The Punnawithi neighborhood offers an escape from the city's hustle and bustle. It is known for its laid-back atmosphere, affordable accommodations, and a growing food and leisure scene. The area is well connected via the BTS Skytrain, making it convenient to access central Bangkok. The area is also a tech hub with the presence of True Digital Park, attracting professionals and businesses alike.
Now we are at Punnawithi area. It's very close to True Digital Park 101. And this area, I love it so much because you got everything here. The shopping mall, the restaurant, and the transportation is very convenient for you. You can go to BTS Punnawithi and BTS Udom Suk. It's not far. And this project we call Skyrise Sukhumvit 64. And this project is from Iceland. Very good real estate company. This project is ready to move in. And here this room is 35 square meters for one bedroom and one bathroom. When you come in, you're gonna see the kitchen first and the dining table and then the living room.
So we've got a nice small kitchen, big enough to cook.
Yes.
A small dining area. A living area to watch TV, and then a single bedroom. One-bedroom rentals in this building are around 18,000 baht. That's around $530. Rentals are individually owned, so they will vary, but Ploy can help you find a rental. If you want to buy, the asking price is 3.5 million baht. That's just a little over $100,000. Let's take a look at a brand new two-bedroom unit for sale. The protective paper hasn't even been removed from the windows.
This project is just finished and ready to move in, and now the price is quite good. The price is 5.5 million. And
5.5 million.
Yes, it's for two bedroom, two bathroom. And when you go out to the balcony, you can see the view outside here. I love it so much because you can feel it's like the park. It makes you feel like you are in the village. And these are the facility. They have swimming pool, gym, working space.
Oh, I see.
And this area is quiet and peaceful.
Very good.
Yes.
Okay, let's look at here. We've got a large living room area.
Yes.
And then this is bathroom number 1 with the shower.
Just for shower and the second bedroom. They have a bathtub.
And here is the smaller bedroom, but it's big enough for a queen-size bed. We've still got the coverings on the windows. It's brand new and very nice closet storage space. Double-sided.
And this one is master bedroom.
It's the master bedroom.
They're gonna have the private bathroom. And here I love the window so much because the window is like this side, and you can see the wheel.
Yeah, the whole corner view.
Yes.
Let's take a look at that view right out here.
And here is the closet.
Okay, yeah, and a big closet. Cool. Here's a quick tour of some of the amenities here at Skyrise. The swimming pool is half the length of a football field. 40% of the project is green space, and there is a combination of greenery and wellness living areas. So where are we at now?
We are at the gym. Yes, let's work out together.
All right. Some nice machines.
I think the room is very nice. You know, work out here. Run, run.
They have a new rope here, mats, barbells, dumbbells, exercise balls. It's a well-equipped gym. There is a playground for the kids. There are the other towers. Tower 4, 3, 2, and 1. And here is the basketball area. And here's the swimming pool.
For common area fee, it's 37 baht per square meter. I think it's quite good for this area.
The 35 square meter, one bedroom would be 1,295 baht per month. So where are we at now?
Now we are at the working space in the condo. It makes me feel like we are in a minimal room, and I love it so much. Yes, it's quiet, and it's good for us to do work here. You don't need to go anywhere.
There is also a co-kitchen space, family area, podcast station, sauna, and a laundry room. If you are on a budget, you may like the one-bedroom studio. It's 28 square meters and rents for 16,000 baht. That's about 476 US dollars per month. The studio is divided up into 2 rooms. I like how the glass separates the bedroom from the living room. That allows you to save on air conditioning because it's got a separate air conditioner in each room. There's a small kitchen, and it even has room for a washer. I like how it has all the basics that you need. Well, if somebody wants to buy or rent, who do they talk to?
Me! Me!
So if you need to rent or buy a place, we're going to talk to Ploy.
I'm ready to help you.
If you have a favorite area, or if there's a neighborhood you would like to see a tour of, please leave a comment. Sharing the video and leaving a comment helps support the channel so that I can keep bringing you free videos. If you enjoyed this video, you might also like my neighborhood tour videos and cost of living guides here on Living Overseas TV.